After the 12th century, people slowly started realizing the need for a special number, 0. In very early times, systems like buying and selling were not common everywhere. People mostly ate food when they found it. If they didn't find food, they simply stayed hungry. They also didn't store extra food like we do today. Now, think about this. If someone ate all the food and nothing was left, how would we represent that in numbers? That idea of nothing left is what we call 0. Now listen carefully. 0 also represents lack. For example, if I say I have 0 fruits to eat today, it means I have nothing. Now listen carefully. We saw two situations. Sometimes we have food, sometimes we have no food. Let's imagine this with numbers. If I have 5 fruits, that means I have more than nothing. In mathematics, numbers greater than 0 are called positive numbers. Now imagine I owe someone 5 fruits or I lost 5 fruits. This situation is represented with negative 5, which is a negative number. But what if I don't have fruits and I don't owe anyone fruits? How many fruits do I have? Yes, 0. So 0 is a special point. It is not positive because we don't have anything. It's not negative because we didn't lose anything either. It simply represents nothing. That is why we say 0 is neither positive nor negative. It stands in the middle. Think about farmers. In one season, the farm may produce many crops. In another season, nothing grows. So, how do we represent that situation? We use 0. 0 helps us describe situations where something exists at one time but not at another time. Now, let's see something interesting. We already have natural numbers like this. If we add 0 to these numbers, what do we get? We get a new set called whole numbers. So remember, natural numbers plus 0 equal to whole numbers. And that is why 0 become one of the most powerful numbers in mathematics.